Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing the keychains that I've made so far. Let me get this off the screen before I spoil everything. As you guys know, my little mini craft market for my neighborhood is tomorrow, so I got to show you guys these today before in case some of these sell, which fingers crossed, hope some of them do. And then after the market is over, I swear you guys, I'll be getting my online store ready right after. So that's coming very soon. I know you guys have been waiting forever and I've been saying it forever, but I swear I'm gonna get it done, okay? So, oh, excuse me. Today is the first keychain I made. This one says God is good. Very cute pendants I found. And I got this cute little bow. This bow was absolutely perfect with this, is it not? Oh my God, I absolutely loved how much that matched it. So that is one of the ones that I made. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit so you guys can see these a little more easily as I show them. Here's the first one. That one says God is good. I'm actually gonna hang it back up over here in my little waiting area because I've not finished securing everything. Okay, another one is this really pretty butterfly one. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love that these supplies came in. This is so cute. Used two of those green butterfly bees that came in and two mini white hearts, and then this, and that is keychain number 2. Number 3, you guys will see this in the other video I make where I'll show you why I made these. This is very cute. Little stitch tag, absolutely adorable. I love how these are embossed, has a little bit of texture on them. Very nice quality, very cute. And I decided to add some little beads to go with it. So absolutely adorable. Love these little keychain tags. I'm obsessed with these. You'll see more of these definitely in the future because I've ordered some more. Here is another one. This one is, I believe her name is Miffy, and I think it's a Sanrio character. I'm not 100% sure, but it's really cute. I got that one. I thought she was really cute in her little raincoat. And I added some beads that kind of matched her coat. I wish I had some little white flowers. That was my only regret with this one. I wish I had some white flowers. That would have been so perfect and so cute with this. But that is keychain number 4, I believe. And here is a black and white one. Absolutely love these black and white key tags. Again, this one is embossed. You can see the texture. Very pretty. These are so nice. And then for the little beads I added to an accident, we got this little black bow and a butterfly. Thought that was so pretty together. Very cute. And then we have, I think this one is called Melody. I think her name is Melody. Another Sanrio character. Oops, that was not in frame. Very cute little heart. And again, this bow matched this so perfectly, so I had to use it. I wish I had some more of these because these go with so many things. I'm gonna have to try to track some more of those down because they're just too good, y'all. That's that one. Very happy with how that one turned out. And then, oh my God, this is so pretty. Look how gorgeous the strawberry tag is, y'all. Oh my God, so pretty. That's that one. And then I got a little bow and a little butterfly to accent it and a little strawberry bead. You see that really closely. So cute. So cute. That's that one. And then, oh, these are so cute. Oops, it stuck to it. That's for my friend. Hold on. I made her a little tiny Pikachu keychain because she really liked this random. We can't figure out why this bead is Hello Kitty. Why is the Pikachu brown? We can't figure that out. It's so funny, but she really liked it, so I made it into a little keychain for her as a surprise because she bought some keychains for me. Here is a Kurami in black and white little keychain tag with her at the top, and then I added some accent beads on it. So I thought that was really cute. That's another one. Okay. So here's another one in that same style. This one is, I think her name is Melody. Like I said, I forget. I don't know the other Sanrio characters. So similar style, just a different tag at the top. And we have this adorable sleepy panda. Thought that was so cute. That is this one. I tried to match the blue and pink. So we got the little blue heart and then the accenting stars. Absolutely adorable. So as you guys see these, I hope you understand now why I've been so excited about my keychain supplies. You know, I need variety so I can make the best combinations, the best designs. Here's another one. I think I made 2. Are they exactly the same? Might be slightly different. Nope, I just made 2. Yeah, I was so happy with how that turned out, and just in case 2 people wanted one, I made 2 because I said why not. So this is probably the only one that I have 2 of. Everything else has been like kind of one of a kind for the most part. That's kind of how I roll, you guys. Most things I make are one of a kind, but in that case I made 2. Then this one, oh no, where's the one? Hold on, I was trying to grab this one. Okay, here it is. This is the one my friend wanted to buy off of me, so I definitely have to show this one today as well. She will be going to a new home very shortly, but this is really cute little cherry Hello Kitty, and my friend saw it. She said, I want to buy that one, so this one definitely will not be with me after next weekend. So very cute. I thought that was really cute, and I added some little cherries on here. I thought that was really adorable. I had some cherry beads that I got from Temu, and I added those on the top just because why not? Just because why not? I don't know why that has a little random red dot. That's unfortunate. I don't know where that came from, but we'll put the little cherries on that side. There, I'll cover it up. Little pimple patch. Little cherry pimple patch. Get over there and hide her face. But yes, that's that one. And then this is the first one I grabbed for an accident. I thought this one was that one. Another cute Hello Kitty keychain. She has a little ladybug outfit. So I tried to make the beads that went with her red and white. I did try to add some black in there, but I felt like it kind of made it look more gothy, so I ended up taking the black beads off. So I think this is cute. A little shorter one. It's very simple, but still very cute in my opinion. That's that one. Would have been nice if I had some ladybug beads for that one. This is a little tiny cow one. Another really simple short one. This one had several iterations. I made this keychain, I think twice, because there was this bead I was trying to use with it. So if I can get this handy really quickly. This bead I tried to use with it because I thought it would look nice with it, and it kind of does because it matches the teal and the pink, but it ended up just being too busy. It had too many colors going on, so I ended up, you know, nixing that design or remaking it. I had a really hard time matching beads with this one just because it has pink and it has teal, and I don't know, this one's hard to match for some reason. It was difficult for me to match the colors with, so ended up just doing something kind of simple like that. Hopefully it's still cute. I think it's still cute. Some of these are more simpler than others. These are really cute little ponies. I got, I thought they were adorable. I know it's not a real My Little Pony. I'm not sure who it's supposed to be, but I thought it was a cute little pony. So I snatched those up and because I thought they were cute and paired them with some butterflies and some hearts. It's a cute little random pony girl. I think there are two of these too. Yep, there sure are. And there's two. Are they exactly the same? Did I do more twinsies? I sure did. And again, y'all, it's so rare for me to make two of the same keychain, so that is absolutely rare. So got two of these little cuties. I actually got some pink horseshoes in, so that'll also be really cute with these. So I'm very excited to make more of these with the pink horseshoe. Either that, I might save this for my Little Pony beads. I'm not sure. Whoops. Then we have this pretty little butterfly, pink and blue butterflies with a bow that matches it. And then that's kind of like that. I thought that was really cute. Got a couple hearts and a star. Very, very cute. This bow kind of has two sides. You have this kind of more transparent side, and then this side where it's more painted on. Pops a little bit more. I personally like the other more subdued side. I think it kind of goes with the softer colors of the butterfly, but that's just me. But that's that one. You can kind of turn the bow whichever way you want. Oh my God, I love this bee one. These bee ones are so cute. This little bumblebee is so stinking adorable. I got a whole bag of her, of that particular bead, and then kind of paired it with these little flowers that matches her crown. If you look closely, she has a little flower crown that's pink, purple, and blue. And then if you notice, I kind of did the little flowers pink, purple, and blue to match her little flower crown. Isn't that adorable? So that's a little cute little bee one. There's another one I made too that's similar. I think she's at the top of that one. Where's she at? Huh. Oh, did I show? I might have shown it in a different show and tell because I don't see it. Huh. Why is she not in here? She might have been in my first show and tell. Let me see if I can find her. Give me 1 second. Huh. Do we have a missing bee? Y'all, I think we might have a missing bee. No, here she is. Okay, she must have been in the first show and tell. Here she is. This was version number 2. Which one do you like more? I think I'd like the one in the middle more. That's actually really cute in the middle. It's kind of cute. I'm definitely gonna make more of these. I do have a lot more of her and a lot more of these little flowers. So probably will make several, probably 4 or 5 more of these. She'll be a rare duplicate. A rare duplicate. Okay. Put that one back. Okay. Then we have one more in the black, white, and yellow series. This one's got the black bow and a yellow butterfly. So pretty, so cute. These are so, I'm not going to get over how gorgeous these are. I actually did buy more of these, so I will have more of these coming soon. I don't have any more of these butterflies though, so I'm not sure what I will pair with it, but I'll find something. I am getting some moon beads as well to go with my Sailor Moon beads, so we'll see. I'll be on the lookout for stuff that goes with this, because these are just so pretty, and I love using these keychain tags. They're just so pretty. Got little beads with it. It's just so cute. It's so cute. A little trinket, a little happy trinket. We have these cute little cows. I thought they were so adorable. I don't know why I keep pulling things this way. This way is the front for y'all. Cute little cow. Just a couple beads that I thought matched her. I got a little purple bow that matches her little lavender eyes and a purple heart. If you look closely, her eyes are actually kind of purple. So I thought that was cute together. Another simple one, and I think there are 2 of her too. Yep, there are 2 of her. Very, very cute. Cute little moo-moo. I was really happy with how those turned out. Absolutely adorable. And we have a little ice cream cat. Absolutely love this bead. I have a bunch of these, and I'm gonna turn 2 of them into earrings for myself because they're just so cute. Little ice cream cat, little ice cream cone, his little feet, these little toe beans. So adorable. So adorable. That's that one. I tried to add a cherry to that one. Oh, there's two of this one too. I tried to add like a little cherry bead to the mix, but it just wasn't looking right for some reason. So I ended up just mixing the cherry. But I'll have to try to find some other ones that might look right with it. I'm not sure. If I can find some ice cream cone beads or some different looking cherry beads, I might do that. Cause I think this one has so much potential, but my, I guess mix of beads that I have just couldn't quite do the vision I wanted, but this is still cute. This is still cute. Little orange little ice cream cat. And then last but not least, oh, it's a duplicate of the butterfly one. So it's another one of those. And that is it, y'all. Those are the ones that I've made. This is the second batch. And all these are gonna be for sale at my little artist market my apartment complex is doing. So we'll see how that goes. I'm very excited. And then once that market is over, you guys, I promise I'll be working on my Shopify store. I've been saying that since I opened the channel. I know y'all are sick of me. I promise I'll get on it. It's just a big undertaking and there's a lot of things I have to figure out, like shipping and you know, weighing and probably check taxes and all that stuff. So it's a bit of an undertaking, but my plan is to, you know, after the market, sit down and hunker down and get that working on that website so that you guys can buy anything that I create, okay? Going forward, but I'll let you know. I'll keep you guys in the loop on my community tab or my announcements when that is up and live. And I will see you guys soon, okay? I have yet another package of these to open. I'm gonna go do that now off camera, but thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my second keychain show and tell, I guess. And I'll see you guys with the next batch that I make, okay? Bye.